Hey everybody, welcome to Trading Capital's June 7th here on this Tuesday afternoon. Jumping into our crypto analysis here, analyzing Bitcoin. Bitcoin has done some pretty interesting price action. It's a lot of whipsaw, chop, reversal, and frankly, Bitcoin has been struggling at these areas with major reversals happening. First and foremost, I want to bring to your attention that we did break out of this wedge pattern over here, which you can see this is your impulse bar. You had your retrace candle, and you are holding these levels. Now, it was pretty interesting with yesterday's pretty strong surge up on Bitcoin, and then as the markets closed, Bitcoin reversed and gave up all of those gains. Now, it did engulf that candle, but it did not close as an engulfing candle. So technically speaking, if this price action holds, it was just a mere blip on the charts. But let me just take you into the intraday action just to see this type of price action that unfolded. We had this massive move up yesterday and then this big dump yesterday. This is kind of what we've been seeing in Bitcoin, a big move up, big dump, big move up, big dump. And this is notorious to get people shaken out of their long positions and potentially start acquiring more shorts, and then they rip it back up to the upside. We are still in the money on Bitcoin. I'm still in the camp that we see the 34,000 level, which is these pivots over here. There is a chance that if you break through that, you could retrace back to the scene of crime, but that's a big stretch in my opinion. So I'm looking for a move to 34,000. If you get through 34,000, then you'll look to this wide range red bar at 36,000. If you get through that, then you're going to look to the 39, 40,000 area. But 40,000 is a bit of a stretch. I don't think it'll have enough momentum to get there. So currently speaking, Bitcoin is trying to reverse yesterday's sell-off. We do have 4 hours and 33 minutes left in this daily candle, so we'll just have to wait and see how it transpires and unfolds. Taking a look at Chainlink, we are long Chainlink. Again, our average is around the 797, so we're just in the money. Funny enough, Chainlink is actually holding up and showing more relative strength out of the bigger caps, Bitcoin and ETH. So Bitcoin and Ethereum are down on the day so far. Bitcoin's down 3%, Ethereum's down 2.5%. Chainlink is actually positive by 3.66%. So clearly we've broken through on the daily chart the 25-day moving average here. The next level we attack is the 50-day moving average around the 915 area. If we get through that, which I do think there's a likely scenario that we do, I think we can retrace to the center point of this parallel channel. And let me just show you this parallel channel here for a second. It has kind of been keeping us check, at least on the support side. So I do think a move up to the center point of this channel can be likely if the cryptos continue to catch that bid. We are starting to see cryptos turn up again, so that's healthy to see for our long positions. And the volatility has just been exceptional. Ethereum, same thing. We are trading in this parallel channel. We are at the low range of the channel. Accompanied by this parallel channel of support, you also do have support in and around this range over here, which you can see that we're hitting. So there is tons of support in and around this area, which is why I do think Ethereum will break up with Bitcoin and Chainlink over the coming days. You can see here we are putting in a little bit of this wedge pattern. Downsloping wedge patterns do favor a move to break up. If this is upsloping, then it favors a move down. So in terms of resistance points, I personally think Ethereum has a strong probability of getting up to here, this 2100 level. If it gets through that level, then I do think you test these lows over here around the 2400. Okay, but the 2400 will be a big test for Ethereum and the overall markets, and we'll just have to reassess as the time comes. Currently, our Ethereum is lagging. We are down on the trade, where our average is around the 2100 mark. Bitcoin, we are in the money currently speaking, and Chainlink, we are also in the money currently speaking. So Ethereum is our smaller crypto holdings out of the three, so it's good to see that our two larger positions are starting to potentially go in the money, and hopefully in the coming week or two we can look to scale out of those crypto positions and bank a profit, and then look to reevaluate what the next setup may be, whether it's a short, whether it's a consolidation pattern, and then we can go long again. We'll just have to wait and read the charts day by day. But ultimately, I do think crypto has a potential move higher. Bitcoin's obviously going to be the key. It has been struggling at this area. Some will say that the bigger macro pattern is still that bear flag, but you still had that multi weeks of sell-off. If we go to the weekly time frame, you can see you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks of sell side pressure. So I do think we haven't had a significant bounce yet to get us out of that oversold condition. And if we break these key supports, there's not really much support in and around these areas here before you head to the 20,000 level, which will be your previous high here. And then if you break through that, then you're ultimately going to have support around this 16, 17,000, and then 13, 14,000 will be your other big area of support. So stay tuned for more crypto analysis, and happy trading. Thank you again for being subscribers and members. Take care.